Pipit AI review, is it worth using for content creation? Today we're taking a look at Pipit AI, a new tool by CapCut that helps you create marketing content like videos, images, and ads using AI. If you're running a small business or building a brand online, you want to hear about this. So now let's break down what it does, what's good, what's not, and whether it's worth trying. So Pipit AI is a web-based platform that makes it super easy to create content for social media and product promotion. Just type in your product name, give it a few details, and Pipit AI will generate short videos, product posts, and even images with avatars and voiceovers all automatically. Alright, so now let's talk about what's great about Pipit AI. Easy to use, so you don't need editing skills. Everything is drag and drop or auto-generated. AI videos and avatars. It can create marketing videos with voiceovers and even a virtual spokesperson using AI. Templates for shops. Pipit integrates well with TikTok Shop and Shopify, so if you sell online, it's already set up for that. Free weekly credits. So you can get free credits to test it out weekly, around 2 minutes of video and about 75 images. All right, now let's talk about the downsides to this. So limited customization. The templates are good, but feel kind of samey after a while. You might want more control. AI voices are okay for now. So the voiceovers are improving, but still sound robotic at times, but this will improve. Requires setup for shops. So if you don't use Shopify or TikTok Shop, some features might not be useful to you and not for deep editing. This is not a full video editor like Premiere Pro. It's more for fast, simple content. Alright, so if you run a small online store, manage social media for a brand, or just want to make quick product videos without hiring a team, Pipit AI is honestly worth a try. It's especially helpful for small business owners, TikTok sellers, social media marketers, or content creators who need fast, good enough results. But if you're after full creative control, you may feel a bit limited.